To those of you, my friends, who are used to analog systems in order to facilitate corruption, I tell you that the end is nigh, notwithstanding how many court orders you procure, hii itafika mwisho.
Ino niyo yuma miario ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru wa Kenyatta akiaria muthi wa Mashujaa kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria augite ati kandi ya Huduma Namba ndiri kundu irathie na ndiri hindi ireteanirio ona thengia wa mashira maria mekwambikwo igoti-ini makuregana nayo. Mutongoria wa bururi augite ati aria makoretwo makiregana na mubango uyu ni gukorwo mamenyerete njira cia hau kabere cia kuhuthira maratathi na uguo makagia na uritu hari kuhimbiria mubango uyu kuona ugukorwo thingite mianya yothe ya ungumania kuona maundu mothe marikagwo kugerera mitambo.
The survey found that over a third of all payments to government were cash-based, presenting a high opportunity for leakage and abuse of the system.
Rungu rwa mubango uyu mundu ndaribataragwo gukua maratathi make mothe niguo kumatha motungata matiganite wabici-ini cia thirikari ni amu maundu ma mundu mothe mari hamwe kandi-ini ino ya Huduma Namba.
Digitization aims to eliminate the duplication of efforts in data collection, processing, storage, and production of identification documents, which has been a feature of government operations since the dawn of our republic.
Mutongoria wa bururi akiuga kandi ino no iguteithia hari kweheria ukora uria utabanagio mundu akihuthira kibande kia mundu ungi akirutithitie na gwitua mundu ucio. Na oho kandi ino no igukorwo ikinyita itemi hari kugacirithia ugitiri kuona mundu ni arimenyekaga na oho kugiririria tharikira cia itoi na oho noyo mundu aribataraga agicera mabururi mangi ma Africa.
This improved identity card will also be used as a secure travel document within the East African region.
Gukinyeria riu guku bururi-ini kuhitukira mubango wa kiriu wa e-citizen andu ni makoretwo makiona motungata matiganite ma thirikari utegubatarwo gwitwara wabici-ini kiumbe.
60% of revenues were spent on making collections. By launching the e-citizen platform in August of 2014, 350 government services have now been migrated to the e-citizen platform. And in the 7 years since its inception, the e-citizen has served a total of 27.2 million unique customers and collected over Kenya shillings 87.1 billion in revenues.
Miario ya mutongoria wa bururi yukite thutha wa igoti inene guteaniria wiyandikithia wa muingi mubango-ini wa Huduma Namba rikiuga ni mugaru na watho. Ica ikuhi minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni augire ni megucokia cira riko makiregana na itua ria igoti inene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni